In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how do I add pins or markers to my map. And I can do it one of two ways. I can go ahead and just simply try to find what it is that I'm looking for, or I can do a search up here in this search bar. I'm going to go ahead and type in my address. And it's going to bring me right to where my house is located. And it brings this in a green marker. Well, the green marker doesn't stay on my map. The green marker is simply going to be a search result. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to actually have to place a marker there myself. So I'm just going to place it right alongside this green one. And it's important to note not to add markers to the actual house itself, but add markers on the road. Because when I create directions in the future, I'm going to want to link my markers to my other markers. And I can't drive to the middle of a house. So I'm going to go ahead and place this marker right here on the edge of that road. And I'm going to call this Where I Live. And in the description, which is optional, I'm going to go ahead and put my address and hit save. And you notice that I have a red marker and this green one. Well, this green one is simply just going to be a search result that I can remove or close at any time, and the pins stay. And I'm going to go ahead and create another marker. In this case, I'm going to search for Mona Shores Middle School. And when I zoom in here, I'm going to go ahead and change this map by choosing the satellite view so I can see the actual view from the satellite. What I also have is if I just simply click on the map, which is a nice way to add my markers, but this gives me confirmation of where things are. Now obviously I can't drive to the middle of the building, so what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to just use the map to show me where the roads are. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a marker for the middle school, but I'm going to add that marker right where that would exist on the road. And I'm going to put the address in there if I know it. And you'll see that that marker gets added to where my pins are. And I could always come in here and I can close those search results. That's how you create those pins. Relatively easy. I went ahead and showed you two. I want you to add these two. And then you're going to add 3 more markers to anywhere else, somewhere in the area, and add those as markers to your custom map.